Let's take a closer look inside NECTO Studio and its code editor. We will focus on NECTO AI Code Assistant, which is built right into the editor. Let's start with feature number 1. Fix selected code. If you have spotted an issue in your code, just select that part of code, then right-click and choose Fix. The AI instantly suggests a correction, which you can apply in just one click. Now, onto the feature number 2. Context-aware hardware knowledge. Open the NECTO Code Assistant on the right and select the suggested MCU Information question. In seconds, you will get detailed insights about your hardware, and you can keep asking follow-up questions as you go. It is like having an embedded expert right in your IDE. Next up, feature number 3, and that would be comment selected code. If you select some code and click Add Comments, NECTO AI instantly generates meaningful inline descriptions for your code. It is the fastest way to make your projects theme ready. Finally, feature number 4, explain selected code. Just select any block of code and hit explain if you're not sure what this block of code performs. NECTO AI is going to break it down in clear, human-readable language, so you can understand, learn, and keep moving forward. NECTO Studio now brings you 4 powerful AI tools, time-saving embedded tools.